Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my honest review for the Ringke Huawei P30 Pro phone case. Thanks for Ringke for sending me this product to unbox. This is going to sound really weird, but I'm so impressed with the packaging. I don't know how big they are as a company, but this is a really good standard for the products that they're handing out. It's impressive to see that they put this much thought into the packaging and the presentation. It shows me that they care about their products. But let's get into it. The case that I'm actually showing right now is the case for the P30 Pro Fusion X, but you can see that all the buttons are in the right places. Let's put the case on. Now this is the case for the P30 Pro. As you can see, once you've put it on, it slides on so easily and it has a snug fit around the phone. But it's not on too tight, so you won't get any issues with the phone overheating in extreme weather conditions. I really like the way it looks. You still get to see the beauty of the phone, but you get that extra protection. As you can see all around it, the buttons still function very well. It has all the cutouts in the right places so that you can easily charge your phone, and you also don't get that issue where the phone case covers your speaker. And if you look on the back of it, the camera is not obstructed at all. The flash isn't obstructed as well. Sometimes these phone cases, they're designed to keep the phone safe, but then they mess up little things like covering the flash. I really like that they've put that thought into it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you like me to unbox more products from Ringke? If you found this video helpful, remember to share and subscribe to TechLoto, and don't forget to visit the website.